My name is Cristian Solís. I am partner at Iquant Consulting. This company is responsible for asset management innovation in different industries, utilities, oil and gas, mining industries. Around 1 year ago or two, we formed a new business for the digital twin approach. For that digital twin approach, born in our necessity to have a different approach for predictive maintenance. And with that, we are trying to support from the very good technology, the physics simulation, multi-physics simulation technology, like Modelon mainly. Our flagship project is like the digital twin project in solar power plant. That starting with an idea how we can use the physics simulation in our solar power plant. And after with the support with the Modelon and a lot of engineers, we are trying to solve what is how we can take an advantage from this physics simulation. Today with Modelon, we want to drive this failure prediction service to offer this failure prediction service with accurate alert, with the very good assertiveness with the physics simulation. Then before of this, always our company for asset management company, always we are implementing the traditional approach. They never fulfill our expectative. Today, with this approach and to join to this world, like a physics simulation world, the paradigm change for us, and we are trying to drive this approach to the different industry. We are trying to in the next year to have the project in this line and to discover other possibilities and to innovate, but in this direction. With Modelon, my experience was very good, very useful, because initially with the commercial team, for example, that always they respond my questions, they help to ask for this idea to use Modelon or Modelica language to use in predictive maintenance. That was very good. And after with the consultant, they are very good technically, and they manage different language. That was very good, because our first project was in Latin America with the technician or planner or scheduler. The people speak Spanish mainly. I don't know, in the next year to be here again in 2 years or 3 years, and to show what is the real data and real indicators we have for every industry, and how to apply this physics simulation and predictive maintenance, and to try to be popular for the industries in around the world.